Hello guys, in this video I will be showing you how to list your property on Accolink and how to create an account. So the first thing, just go to Accolink website and the site will appear and click the site. When the site appears, you will see explore, list property, travel agent and the help section. Since we want to list our property, we go to the property section, the list property section, or just scroll below, you will see list property. Then you will fill in wanted details. So I'll just make up details, but for you, you will have to use the real details because this video is the intention is to teach you how to list. So I will name my guest house Kalahari Safari Guest House. Country, I will say Botswana.
Bruh.